Hello YouTube and welcome back. I am American Truckster and today we have Dirt Rally. We're racing in 1960 series. Bullhammer, Blumholder, Germany. I can't pronounce that other word. And today we'll be doing this race, and at the end of this race, we'll be going and buying a new car. So, hooray! I'm actually happy to get rid of this old thing. I hate it. Like, no joke, I freaking hate this car. It don't handle worth a crap. And the brakes are hard. Like, it won't slow down. I mean, like literally, this car will not slow down. Why the heck did the creators of this game have to put this car in this game? See right there? Like, right there, it did not stop, which made me so dang mad right there. But I like how the mud flaps, they move when you're going down the road. But yeah, other than that, I freaking hate this car. Sorry for the noise in the background. It's my girlfriend's, or my fiance's mom doing laundry. But yeah, it's 13 seconds slow. But yeah, today, we're racing here in Germany, my best track, and, we're gonna go get the Lancia Stratos. I think it's a Lancia. I cannot remember off the top of my head. I would actually love to have one of them Stratos in real life. I would love to have one. But yeah, tell me if y'all want more videos of this. Like my friend, he said I should do gameplays of this. But let me know what y'all think in the comments and everything, and I will get back to y'all on that. Okay, I'm halfway. Trailing smoke as usual in this freaking crap. And this freaking pile of turd. This car's a turd. See what I mean? I'm going so freaking good in that corner, in corners, and this car just won't grip at all. I mean, seriously, car. Thank God I'm upgrading a new one. Won't have to drive this honk anymore. Hopefully be out of the Weakling Series 2. Come on. 57 seconds slower. Wow, I was surprised it even made that freaking corner. Holy crap. Last leg of the race, really? Going so good in that fucking turn. Like I said, this car is a crap. It's like shit. Sorry to say it, but this car is shit. I'm spraying something. Something gray. It looks like oil, I think. Thank God right there was the finish line. Hello, Stratos. Hey, I finished fourth. Holy crap. Fifth in this season so far. 26,000. Yes. Oh, they put me at Wales. Damn it. I don't, like, I want to go get my new car so bad. Hopefully I can, like, get out of this, retire from this series right now here in a minute. Hopefully it lets me retire. Garage. Well, people, this is what I'm buying. I guess I can do this. I'm gonna try out this card. Well, it wouldn't let me do that. Pay attention. So Monte Carlo, Monaco. I cannot pronounce that word. I'm about to go play 7 Days to Die. That game is like fun. Woo! This car likes to kick. Yeah, maybe racing on this track was a bad idea. But I found one of these cars for sale, and I'm actually going, if I can get $48,000 off my YouTube channel, I'm going to go get this car. Because these cars sound good. Hopefully that's what it sounds like in real life too. This is pretty close to this. But shout out to my buddy John. He wanted me to do the multiple Let's Play videos and get more views and subscribers. Thank you, John. Oh, it was on ice. That's why this car keeps sliding. That's fun. Not right there, that wasn't. That was not fun right there. Where's the snow at? I guess it's the higher I get, it will be snowing. This car is fun. Oh, thing's fast too. But I'm sorry guys, I'm gonna have to end it here. Y'all keep watching my videos and give me a like spike. This is American Truckster over and out. Have a good day.